The implications of removing an apex predator. Apex predators are the top of the food chain and most crucial part of an ecosystem. They do not have any other animal above them, meaning nothing preys on them other than humans. Apex predators are also the top of the trophic cascade. The trophic level of an organism decides upon the level which it sits on the food pyramid. A cascade defines the type of consumer it is. For example, a lion eats the antelope, which eats the grass. It's all interconnected. A direct example of this in Australia are the presence of dingoes. Dingoes are the apex predator of mainland Australia, and they are the core of the biodiversity of the land. Unfortunately for dingoes, although listed as native under the Nature Conservation Act and protected in national parks, the Local Land Services Act classes them as wild dogs, and thus classed as a pest species, allowing anyone to kill them. Dingoes do pose a financial threat to Australia's agriculture system. They are responsible for $48 to $68 million in loss each year due to livestock loss through predation. Dingoes' main ecosystem role is by controlling the numbers of feral cats, rabbits, foxes, and kangaroos. They not only eat them directly, but also dominate the overlapping resources. National Wild Dog Action Plan is government enforced to control the number of dingoes due to disease, financial loss, and emotional distress. Common control methods are shooting, trapping, fencing, and most commonly, baiting with 1080, which results in a slow and agonizing death. The removal of apex predators has direct impacts on ecosystems, the main impact being the rise of mesopredators such as foxes and feral cats. Mesopredators are only able to eat smaller species, so larger herbivore numbers will also rise significantly. In conclusion, the removal of an apex predator will have irreversible environmental impacts, resulting in a catastrophe in the ecosystem. Mesopredators will rise, generating loss of many smaller native herbivores, and larger herbivores will rise, resulting in depletion of plant species, and the disaster continues on. Deliberate killings through control programs should urgently be reassessed.